Okay, the blizzard might be over, but it's really important to clear fire hydrants. Make sure they're accessible for the fire department. They need to be able to get into your neighborhood quickly in case of an emergency. Get to the hydrant. So we need to clear a good 3-foot path in front of the hydrant so they can get their lines in, and then make sure the around the hydrant is cleared as well. So I'm going to show you how to do that. We're just going to shovel out as much as we can here. You want to give them a lot of room to work so that they can get in, get their hose equipment in, their hose lines in, so you want to give them a lot of room in front of the hydrant.